Wala po. But kung totoo yan nangyari, I would strongly suggest that yung anak ko at yung minention mo, that's my son-in-law,
Yes
to
po.
file a case, and I'm urging the prosecutors to do their best to file a case in court. That is the remedy. Unless patayin natin, but that is not anak ko. The best remedy is really to go public, expose them, and file the case in court, just like what you're doing now, so that they will be made answerable for their misdeeds in this planet.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr.